Hi, and a big welcome to Steve's Kitchen. I've got the Christmas hat on again. One of my subscribers, or one of the viewers here, Bread Sandwich. Now, they had a different name earlier in the year. They've changed it to Bread Sandwich. Well, it's a great name. They asked me whether or not I could show them how to flame a Christmas pudding the way we do it at Christmas. And I promised for quite some time that I would do this. So I'm going to take one of last year's Christmas puddings, this beauty here, and I'm going to flame it. We're going to be taking some brandy. I'm going to be pouring a shot of brandy into a ladle, heating it up over a candle, and then we're pouring it over the pudding. Let me show you how it's done. Now picture this, if you will. It's Christmas Day. It's been beautiful. It isn't September. It isn't sunny outside, but it's actually Christmas Day. We've just had the family around. We've had the big Christmas turkey and the beautiful ham, and now everybody's feeling really over full. And then you bring the Christmas pudding out, and everybody knows there's just enough space. So we get our brandy on the ladle. We've got a candle on the table. If you haven't got a candle, you can always do this over the gas stove. And we're just going to heat that brandy through. As the brandy heats through, and as we tip the brandy towards the flame, if it's hot enough, we should be able to get that flame coming on the brandy. Take it over to the Christmas pudding and just pour it over the top. And hopefully the camera's catching this, and we sing Christmas carols and serve this up. Merry Christmas. That is flaming your Christmas pudding on Christmas Day. And then you wake up and it's not even Christmas at all, and you've got to eat a Christmas pudding. Thank you for watching. It's been a lot of fun. I hope that's been some use to you. And don't forget, come Christmas time, there'll be lots happening on Steve's Kitchen. So subscribe to the channel and stay in touch. Of course, between now and then, lots going on. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.